Hi guys, so today is the 6th of September and I am traveling to Nigeria tomorrow morning. It's a bit late, but I'm registering. I just registered on the portal right now, and it's me and my husband and my daughter that are flying. So what I've actually done, I made a mistake with my particular registration because I did not know that I actually selected diplomat, and diplomats don't have to pay. So when I got my traveler's record, it said paid already, and I was so confused. It didn't tell me to pay for anything, and yes, I was really confused. But when I now helped my husband to register, the system prompted me to actually pay. So I had to now go back and look at the screen recording I did when I was filming my process of actually getting mine done. And I believe I clicked I was a diplomat, and that's why. And I was a bit panicky as to how do I change this? How do I change this? So my issue was, if I now arrive in Nigeria, they see me without a diplomat passport, and they say, how come you've not done your paid for your post-COVID tests? What am I gonna say? So I thought, you know what, Funke, you need to like apply under using another email address. So I tried another email address, but still the same passport number. It didn't work. And what I didn't realize at this point is that there was a section on the Nigerian International Travel Portal where you can edit your record. I didn't really see that until later. I just decided to register again using my British passport. So I used my British passport. I stated I was not obviously a diplomat. The system prompted me to then actually pay for my post-COVID test, which I then chose the Medbury lab in Lekki phase 1, because I've heard really great things from many people about that particular lab, and it's not far from where I live. So I did that. Yes, I think I might do another video with regard to the process of actually signing up on the NITP portal. It's very straightforward. I would say take your time, register in time. I think that I rushed my registration, hence the reason why I made a mistake clicking the diplomat. But I've been so busy, it's been really hectic trying to get ready to get back to Nigeria. So yes, I've registered all three of us. We're all done. Obviously my daughter, she's a baby, she's under 10. She doesn't have to do a COVID test on arrival in Nigeria or to travel, which meant the system automatically actually did not require for you to pay for one because of her age written on there. So yes, I just want to show you guys that I have all the documents ready for travel. I printed everything out. I printed for my husband and I our actual COVID test results is here. My daughter, obviously her registration is here. For my husband and I, we have our registration information here. Also proof of payment, because I don't want an issue whereby we get to Lagos and they start talking English for us. We have a proof of payment that we've paid, and all that's been printed out ready for travel tomorrow. Yeah. So yes guys, as in, to be honest, the Nigerian International Travel Portal is not really that bad, with regard to going through it. You can make changes to it. There's a tab, I think I'll pop it up so you guys can see where you can make changes to your record. I don't know how effective that tab is. I didn't use it. I just used my British passport to register again. And that was that. So all in all, everything is smooth. We have our QR codes, we have our COVID tests. Just hoping that everything is smooth tomorrow. So tomorrow I'll either film a video as I'm going through, but most likely I'll film a video after I arrive in Nigeria, and I will show you sort of clips of the process and what happened through the airports in London, through the plane to disembarking in Nigeria. I'll try and be very detailed with that information. So I really hope you do enjoy that part too. Again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.
On the NITP portal, on the front page, you click Arrive in Nigeria, select your country, your city, your airport, and your airline. Click Go. It takes you onto this page, which is the passenger pre-boarding health declaration and screening form. The first thing you have to put is your personal information, which is your surname, your first name, your middle name. Right? Then you select obviously your sex. You select whether or not you're a diplomat or not. This was where I made the initial mistake. You put your passport number here, then go on to select your nationality, your date of birth, your country of departure, if you're transiting, country of residence, residential address, email address. Email address is very important because this is where you're actually going to um they're going to send your traveler's record to you. Seat number, I didn't put that in because I didn't know. Flight number, you can get that from your booking. You can then select your arrival location, your arrival date, and then your phone number. You input your phone number. At this stage, you click next and it takes you to the next tab whereby you have to fill in the countries you visited in the last 21 days. I hadn't visited any country, so I just selected the first tab there. It then asks you for your destination in Nigeria for the next 21 days. I put in my address in there, put in my phone number, um, enter my state and my city, and also give information whether I'm a resident or not in country. The next section asks about your emergency contact or your next of kin. So just put in information, whether your sister, your friend, somebody, and give their number. You can't give your own number here. The system will not allow it. So just give their number. And of course, also enter their address in there. Here you have to click select yes or no whether you've had fevers or other ailments in the past 21 days. Then click next. Ask you again whether you've had contact with people that have had these issues. Obviously, I selected no because that's the case for me. It's important for you to declare what you believe is the truth for yourself. Number 7 asks you whether you've taken some medication in the past 24 hours. Answer truthfully. Then number 8, it tells you to basically give information about your COVID result that you've taken, the test result. This is the reason why I say that it's important for you to do your test result before registering so you can easily give the information, upload your PDF or JPEG document of your result onto the system. It then asks you about your post-arrival test details. Where would you like to test? There are different cities there, and you have to select to be assigned by LSB here. Then agree to the conditions and click you want to proceed. That is pretty much the core part of registering. It then takes you to a different website, right? This is the lagosstatebio.com, and it's here that you then have to answer very simple the post-arrival COVID test details. You can here select the specific lab that you want to test at when you arrive in country. So I chose the Medbury Medical Lab in Lekki, which is not far from me, and then I clicked next. This then takes you to a payment platform, and I paid 50,554 naira and 50 kobo. And I put in my card information. I put my Nigerian card information here to get this all through. Once I did this, I got a ping on my phone that I received an email. My payment was instantaneously confirmed. My report too was sent to me. So I had my QR code was sent to me like almost instantly. So I got this quite quickly. I know a lot of people complain that they don't really receive their QR code right away. I did in my particular case, which was good because I literally registered less than a day before my flight. So here is a copy of my traveler's record that I received, which had all the information I'd inputted. I basically printed this PDF, took 2 copies of it. I think 1 copy is enough, but I printed 2 copies just for, sake of it, so that I can present this at the airport in Nigeria. I advise everyone, if you can, please print all your documents, your receipts, everything, so that you have no issue when you land in Nigeria. Thank you very much for watching my video, guys. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a huge thumbs up, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.